Ah! It's so creepy. All right. Say thanks, Grandma Barb, into the camera.
Thank you, Grandma Barb.
Oh, sorry. Merry Christmas. Thanks for the horrible toy. It's not your fault. That's just what he picked. Oh, God, it's so creepy. It's a giant tarantula.